How much sleep did you get last night? Probably enough to function, right? But what if the digital keys to your financial kingdom decided to take a nap permanently? We're talking about your crypto, specifically, what happens when the vault door feels like it's slammed shut on your Bitwala account. It's a scenario that can induce a cold sweat in even the most seasoned crypto holders, especially here in Abuja where access to reliable financial services is paramount. Think of your Bitwala Crypto Vault as a high-security safe deposit box. Inside aren't gold bars or precious jewels, but your Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Bitwala, now Nuri, though the vault recovery process we'll discuss remains largely the same for existing users, offered a non-custodial wallet. This non-custodial part is crucial. It means you held the keys, the private keys, to your crypto. Unlike a traditional bank where they hold the keys to your account, with a non-custodial wallet, you are your own bank. This offers incredible freedom and control, but it comes with a significant responsibility, safeguarding those private keys. If you lose them, or in this case, lose access to your Bitwala account where those keys were stored, recovering your crypto can feel like an impossible mission. So, you are locked out. Maybe you forgot your password, maybe your phone was lost or damaged, or maybe you haven't accessed your account in a while and things look unfamiliar. Whatever the reason, panic is the last thing you need. Let's walk through the potential pathways to recovering your Bitwala Crypto Vault. First and foremost, did you set up a recovery phrase, also known as a seed phrase? This is a series of 12 or 24 words that acts as the master key to your wallet. If you diligently wrote this down and stored it securely, not digitally, and definitely not just a screenshot on your phone, then you're in luck. Most non-custodial wallets, including Bitwala's underlying technology, allow you to import your wallet using this recovery phrase into another compatible wallet application. Think of it like having a spare key to your house hidden in a safe place. You can simply use that key to open a new door, a new wallet, and access everything inside. There are numerous reputable cryptocurrency wallet apps available that support importing via a recovery phrase. During the setup of a new wallet, you'll usually find an option like Restore Wallet or Import using seed phrase. Carefully enter your recovery words in the correct order, and with a bit of luck, your crypto should reappear. Now, what if you didn't back up your recovery phrase? This is where things get significantly more challenging, and unfortunately, the outlook isn't always positive. Because Bitwala was a non-custodial service, they did not have access to your private keys or your recovery phrase. This is a core principle of non-custodial wallets, enhanced security through user control. Therefore, they cannot simply reset your password and grant you access to your funds. However, there might be a few residual options to explore, though their success is not guaranteed, especially with the transition to Nuri and eventual cessation of services for some users. Check your email. When you initially set up your Bitwala account, they might have sent you some crucial information or recovery links. It's worth digging through your inbox and spam folders for anything related to your account setup or recovery. Contact Nuri support. While they cannot directly access your non-custodial vault, their support team might be able to offer guidance based on your specific situation, particularly if the lockout is due to a platform-related issue rather than a lost recovery phrase. Explain your situation clearly and provide any relevant account details you remember. Explore old devices or backups. If you previously accessed your Bitwala wallet on a different phone or computer, there's a slim chance some residual data or login information might still be present. Similarly, if you made any full backups of your phone or computer, it's worth checking if any Bitwala-related data was included. Be wary of scams. In situations like this, unfortunately, scammers often emerge, promising to recover your crypto for a fee. Never share your private keys or any sensitive information with anyone. Legitimate recovery processes will never require you to reveal your private keys. The reality is, without a recovery phrase, the chances of recovering a non-custodial crypto wallet are slim. This underscores the critical importance of properly backing up and securely storing your recovery phrase when setting up any cryptocurrency wallet. It's the single most vital step in ensuring you maintain control over your digital assets. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.